Could diabetes be orchestrating a secret plot against your overall health with cancer? Join us as we explore the fascinating connection between diabetes and cancer and factors that may impact your cancer risk, especially if you have diabetes. Please show your
Do it!
support by clicking the thumbs up
Just
button,
do
sharing
it!
your thoughts through comments, and subscribing for access to more valuable insights. Diabetes is often perceived as a standalone health issue. However, it is imperative to acknowledge its intricate interplay with various other conditions. The web of connections extends to high blood pressure, elevated cholesterol levels, chronic kidney disease, prostate cancer, dementia, Alzheimer's disease, and fatty liver disease, all of which are intricately linked to diabetes.
Okay.
Recognizing and comprehending these interrelationships holds paramount significance, particularly considering that diabetes and cancer collectively constitute two of the top 10 leading causes of mortality worldwide. Let's delve a bit deeper into the cancer aspect because the number of diagnoses is rapidly increasing.
Oh my God!
More individuals under the age of 50 are now being diagnosed with cancer. In the 1950s, only 10% of individuals in their 50s had cancer, but now it's almost 50%. That represents a 500% increase over 70 years. This rise in cancer is not limited to older individuals, it's also affecting younger people. Prevention is the best approach, but for those already dealing with cancer, there are still significant options for management. It's crucial to recognize that diabetes and cancer are closely linked. Having one significantly raises the risk of being diagnosed with the other. They are interconnected in terms of risk. Therefore, let's focus on understanding how to prevent and address these health challenges. For individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing it, it's crucial to be aware of an important connection. Recent research, which looked at information from various groups, indicates that the likelihood of certain types of cancer increases significantly with diabetes. For instance, the risk of pancreatic cancer is 94% higher in individuals with diabetes compared to those without. Diabetes also raises the chances of developing colon and breast cancer, especially among women. A strong link exists between diabetes and endometrial cancer, a type of cancer in the uterus. Even kidney cancer is more prevalent in women with type 2 diabetes. Therefore, it's not only about managing diabetes, but also about taking preventive measures against these specific types of cancers. Whether someone has diabetes or is striving to avoid it, understanding these additional risks is vital, prompting the need to adopt measures to maintain good health. Please express your support by clicking the like button, subscribing to our content, and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. We do random shoutouts to our subscribers. If you want to get mentioned in our next video, subscribe now. Discussing cancer and metabolic diseases like diabetes involves understanding health conditions linked to how bodies process and utilize energy. Recognizing cancer as a metabolic disease is crucial because it's connected to the functioning of the body's metabolism. Metabolism is the process through which bodies convert food into energy. By examining common factors contributing to cancer, a better understanding of its roots is gained, allowing for steps to reduce the risk. Metabolic syndrome comprises conditions that heighten the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. A noteworthy sign is an enlarged waist size, especially if it exceeds 40 inches for men and 35 inches for women. This excess weight around the belly serves as the indicator of potential metabolic issues. Shifting the focus to diabetes, recognition of different types, such as type 2 diabetes and prediabetes, is necessary. These types fall under the category of metabolic diseases as they pertain to how bodies manage food and regulate blood sugar. Identifying potential metabolic syndrome involves assessing specific risk factors. Coming up, we'll uncover the secrets behind cancer development as we delve into the hidden culprits that damage your DNA. Additional indicators of metabolic syndrome include high fasting glucose levels, measuring blood sugar after a period without eating, high blood pressure, elevated triglyceride levels, a type of fat in the blood, and low levels of HDL cholesterol are also factors to consider. Understanding and monitoring these indicators contribute to a better grasp of metabolic health, empowering individuals to make informed decisions for their well being. Delving into the examination of C reactive protein, the health of gut flora, and other metabolic factors, valuable insights emerge regarding the level of inflammation within the body. Notably, similar risk factors associated with diabetes also extend to cancer. An important point emphasized is the association between chronic inflammation, where inflammation persists, and a significant increase in the risk of developing cancer. Chronic inflammation may manifest without one's awareness, potentially stemming from unnoticed infections or continual cellular damage caused by pollutants present in water, food, and animal products. Additionally, the introduction of harmful substances like carcinogens into the body can lead to DNA damage, setting off an inflammatory response. Several factors contribute to DNA damage and, subsequently, cancer. Chronic inflammation, a state of prolonged irritation within the body, can play a role. Elevated blood glucose levels, environmental toxins, stress, an unhealthy diet, and certain lifestyle behaviors are also key culprits. These factors collectively represent the core underlying causes of cancer. Cancer occurs when the DNA, which contains the instructions for how our cells function, becomes damaged at a level that the body cannot effectively repair. This damage results in cells breaking down, fermenting, and replicating uncontrollably, leading to the formation of cancerous cells. To address the risk of cancer, it is crucial to focus on managing and mitigating these contributing factors. This involves making informed choices in our daily lives, such as adopting a healthy diet, minimizing exposure to environmental toxins, and practicing stress reduction techniques. By actively addressing these root causes, we can work towards reducing the likelihood of DNA damage and, consequently, lower the risk of developing cancer. Recognize the links between diabetes, cancer, and overall health to drive proactive management. The heightened cancer risk in individuals with diabetes is a compelling call to action. Diabetes, a metabolic disease, is linked to various health issues. Address root causes like chronic inflammation and DNA damage through informed lifestyle choices. If you found this information valuable, show your support by liking the content, sharing your thoughts or questions in the comments, and subscribing for future informative updates. Until our next video, we wish you the best on your journey to diabetes recovery.